Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. Tons and tons of you who are new right on over here. Special welcome to you. Thank you so very much. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of this journey, and are still there with me, manners and respect. Now today, what I'll be sharing with you is just a nice little carrot rice. Tired to eat the rice and peas on a Sunday? Not true. So we're going to be putting together today a little carrot rice, okay? What you'll need for this dish is some freshly squeezed coconut milk, and family, if you can't get the one that you just freshly squeezed, get the one in the tin, get the powdered one, get whatever you can and do your thing. Do your thing, okay? It will taste nice, same here. Just do your thing. So we're gonna get our flame up right there. We have our carrots here. We have diced them, right? And all of that. So it doesn't matter if the milk is cold or hot. We're gonna be putting our diced carrot, and don't mind the amount. I'm gonna leave in the description for you the amount, the proportion of what I'll be using. So your flame will be right up there, and as I said to you, it doesn't necessarily have to be hot. So you have your nice diced carrot. Remember to dice them. Some people probably would shred it, but I prefer to dice because when the rice is through, you'll see the carrots popping up more and more as opposed to if you shred it, okay? So we have got our carrots right there in the milk looking so nice. We have got over here some pimento seeds. We're going to be putting in our pimento seeds to your liking. We're going to be putting a little salt just to start it off. Not a lot. Probably about half of a teaspoon. And when we have put in our rice, we'll finish that salt thing. Right on over here, we've got 3 pegs of garlic. And if you want to use more, you can use it. Smash your garlic how you like. Some people would smash with a bottle, some smash with the knife, whatever. You can grate it, you can do whatever you please. The whole idea of the garlic in there is to get some flavor, okay? So you smash, then you rinse. I've got 3 pegs of garlic in here. I've got some scallions, and I'm going to be smashing it. This is how we do it in Jamaica. Not necessarily all the time, and it's not a professional method though, but in a most Jamaican kitchen regularly, we do it like that, okay? So you just sort of get your scallions slightly smashed, and we're going to put all of that. Don't forget my pepper is clean. All of them are clean, but I just choose to rinse, okay? So you're getting this green pepper here. It is for flavoring. So now we have got our coconut milk, we have got pimento seeds, we have got our green scallions, a little green pepper, it like it trying to get ripe on us, okay? And your garlic, we're gonna leave them to come to a boil, okay? Once that is coming to a boil, we're gonna go now to get our rice washed and properly drained. So remember, the carrots are not hard to cook. You don't want them cooking too mashed. So you're going to let it come to a boil and boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you'll be ready to add your rice. And also I'm going to be adding a little of these red pepper flakes. You can do what you like. It is to give a little heat. It will bring a little spice to the dish and also a little extra flavor. So if you have and you want to, if you don't want to, if you want to put a little cayenne, if you want to chop some yellow scotch bonnet, it's just to add a little spice. If you don't want the spice, you don't have to use it. We're going to leave that to come to a boil whilst we go get our rice picked and washed. And you could also use the method I have there for the, to boil off the starch. You could use that method. Choose what you please. We're going to go now and we're going to get our rice washed and properly drained. When we return, this thing should be boiling. The carrot should be start coming to a little slightly cooked. So at that point, when we put the rice in, the carrots and the rice will get to come, and cook together. We don't want the carrots mashing out too much, and we don't want them chewy. We just want them to be on the same accord as the rice. We soon come. Easy dish. Okay, now family, You see, this is the cream of the coconut. This is what is coming because I use the dried coconut, like the one for the rice and peas. So if you can get that one, if not, use the one that you have. Now, we're going to be putting in our rice. So you wash your rice, and you want to come, and you know, let me tell you something. At this point, you'll need some hot water. When you're incorporating your rice and your carrots now, you will know if you want a little more water or if you have too much water. It's just simple as that, family. You know, some people still cannot get the rice and the water come together at that, you know. It's still at this point knowing the amount of water to the amount of rice. And I always say to you to measure, but it doesn't work for everybody. So at this point, you want to give a thorough stir right around in a circular motion, because you want the carrots to be distributed evenly among the rice, okay? Because it's going to be starting to cook now. At this point, that is, if you want to, you can do it. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm going to be putting in just a small amount of this. Do it all over because you're not going to stir again, okay? So just that I'll be putting in. You also want to taste for a little salt, but at this point I'll show you how to put that extra salt, okay? I know I don't want a lot, but you can taste. So you can put your little salt. It will be distributed when you're serving your rice. You're not going to stir again. Now look at what it is happening. You notice it's cooking, so it's on the low. So you're going to leave it on that medium to low. You see, let it just simmer. Now you don't have to come back to stir your rice until your rice is properly done. If you look and you see that your rice, the liquid is too dry now, too much, and that the rice on top there is still chewy, you remember I have a video up there that I showed you how to use your plastic clean, preferably white, and the plastic bags without any writing to use it. If you want to use, some people use foil paper, but for me the plastic bag does better work. It does a better job. So you know to execute your thing and to do your thing, huh? So we're going to leave it. Look at it, it is simmering there right at that pace. You want to leave it, so you're going to leave it until when it's ready. How much minutes, Miss Debbie? When it's ready, because you'll be monitoring it. You must know the bottom of your skillet or your pot. I did it in this because I wanted to show you how it looks. When you do it in something that is wider, you'll see what I'm talking about, like with the proportion of the carrots to the rice. You ought to know the thickness of the bottom of your skillet, so you know you don't use too much of a thin bottom container skillet pot or what have you. So we're going to leave it there maybe another 15 minutes and we'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, now family, we are right back and we're going to be, camera girl, you want to keep off. So we're right back and our rice is ready. So you know, just as you're treating it, as I said to you, like rice and peas, you're going to be removing, like, you know, we do this. Some people want to remove it before. You can remove it after to make sure so you get out all of your flavors. And as we always say, you can eat it, okay? So let's just go remove these and return to show you what it looks like when we start to stir it up. Okay, now family, I'm going to turn my flame off and I'm going to just start fluffing up. So you just want to use your fork and you just want to fluff. As you remember, I told you we put in a little salt, and I said right now we weren't gonna be stirring again. So at this point, your salt just go right through and all of that. You wanna get it all fluffed up. So fluffing it up now, you'll see the proportion of the carrot among the rice when you dice it like this. Okay, family, are you there with me? When you do it like this, it comes out like you're having rice and peas as opposed to when you shred it, okay? So this is our finished dish. We're gonna go now. We're gonna plate up some for you, and you might want to ask Miss Debbie, what can I have this with? When we return, you'll see a perfect little protein type that you can have this with on a Sunday or during the week. Soon come back. Okay, now family, we are right back. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is carrot rice, okay, or rice and carrots, carrots and rice. Please do enjoy. Now this is as a side, you serve it as a side dish, and this is what you put it together with as a little meal. You serve it with some corned beef. Fix your corned beef as how you'd like. Please do enjoy once more. Now, if you have liked this video, all I ask of you is to give me a thumbs up. We're recording at night, family, and I've not recorded at night for the longest while, but it's okay. Please do remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember, make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican cooking journey. And also, what are you waiting for? To follow me also on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's Train. That's my second channel. Who are new and don't know what that is, I would ask for your subscription, please and thank you. So remember to like and subscribe, okay, y'all? And when you do subscribe, remember to hit the bell. When you hit the bell, that will enable to you to know when another video is uploaded. If you're not getting any notifications, just run back to the channel, check what is happening. We're uploading 3, 4, 5 videos sometimes per week, okay? So no week goes by without we don't upload on the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you so much for your love. Can't say that enough. Thank you so much for your support. Remember to go show some love to Jer and Kim, that is Camera daughter-in-law and my son's channel. We're gonna leave the name of their channel right here on the screen, okay? Today's post notification shout out goes to up top there, you know, and all our contacts will be listed in the description. That is if you'd like to reach out to us for whatever the reason. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your continued support. Okay, y'all? Once more, Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless, no stress.